What's up, everybody? This is gonna be my first mukbang. I guess that's how it's pronounced. But this is my first video on my new channel, so I'm going to be eating some spicy noodles. As y'all can see, all that goodness. Got a little bit of juice in there, y'all. Gotta put my other little stuff on. So, y'all follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put it in the, I'm probably gonna put it down here at the bottom somewhere. On Instagram. So y'all go follow me on Instagram. If y'all got any questions for me, leave them on Instagram or comment below or whatever. Give me some ideas about what y'all want me to do. And yeah. So get this stuff out. Yeah. These look so good. So I've been wanting to do YouTube for a while, but I never like figured out what I really wanted to do. What channel, like what niche I want to do, but I think this will work out good for me because I like to eat. These so good, y'all. They're dropping them all over the table. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna start letting my kids you know, join me in in this channel, but I don't know yet. Well, yeah, that'll be fun. I have them as friends, family, maybe. These so good, y'all. Y'all should try them. They are the spicy noodle. You can get them from the grocery store. I think they're what they call spicy noodles or something like that. But they're in a little round bowl, a big round bowl. My table too long. Excuse me. My table too long. That's why I can't leave the bowl down and eat. Mm. 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 These so good, y'all. I gotta get me some water. Ooh. They hot, but they not real hot. Well, I like spicy stuff. What? Y'all please go subscribe if y'all like these kind of videos, because we're gonna start having some fun on here. We need to start discussing things, talking about things and whatever. Which I got a comment below. Ask me some questions below so we can talk about stuff. I didn't even bring no paper towel, huh? Whew. The heat done start kicking in now. And if y'all hear that loud sound, my heat just came on, so sorry about that if y'all can hear it. Hot. They're so good, y'all. Y'all need to try them. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all gotta let me know, have y'all tried these before? This heat is low-key choking me, y'all. I should have cooked me 2 bowls, y'all. I'm almost done. But y'all follow your girl. And if y'all hear somebody talking in the background, my kid, I told them to be quiet, but you know how kids are. They don't know how to be quiet, but anyway. Scraping the bowl, y'all. Scraping the bowl. They so good. This is my first time eating this flavor. I think I'm gonna do a pizza or soup. Mukbang next time. Y'all just let me know. Let me know. Because I want to get to the point where I can put out videos like every day for y'all. They got cabbages and all kind of peppers and spices and stuff in here. It's so good, y'all, but it's so hot. It's not extremely hot, but it's got a good kick to it. We're gonna be smacking on this channel, even with my mouth open, probably burping and everything. So if y'all don't like that kind of stuff, then this might not be the channel for you. So I killed it, y'all. I killed it. It was so good. So good. So if y'all like these kind of videos and y'all want me to do more, which I am anyway, like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys probably tomorrow. Peace.